Hi Kate, I'm an e-commerce business owner. I want help on how to automate my business. All right, so if you don't have any automation set up, I want you to start with sales because hey, we need money. Every business needs money, right? So it's time for you to start with your sales process. So if you know every step it takes people to buy from you, see if you can set up a funnel. And if that's too much, hey, don't get yourself complicated. I want you to think about the product that you have all the time, every season in your store or whatever that is. So let's say you have pencil every season. I want you to use that pencil, and you know people always want that, they always buy that. Use that as your lead magnet. Okay, so just say, hey, buy this pencil 50% off today. Right, and use that as one of your lead magnet. Hey, go to social media and share. When after giving tips and orders, say, hey, if you want this pencil for 50% off, click the link in my bio and get this. When you get the email, set up email campaign. And now I want you to think about 2-3 emails that you're going to send, a benefit email or value email, that you give them value, you give them tips on how to use that pencil or how to use other products that you have. Or think about why they want that pencil, right? Think about it as a pinpoint. When you give them at least 3 or 4 benefit emails, then the fourth one can be, hey, I know they already bought that pencil, or if they haven't bought that pencil, you can say, hey, get this pencil. It goes well with this planner, right? And goes well with this. You can do combo of 3 things and say, hey, get 20% off or get 50% off or even get 80% off. All right, so that's another way for you injecting income into your account every month. There's other ways to do that as a e-commerce business. I need to check in one-on-one. So DM me, Work with Kate.